Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay online shopping and selling on the application of eBay. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of eBay and you will click. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of eBay. eBay app like this. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support